on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here at Speedwell Lake, just taking the car out for a drive, and I figured why not film some GoPro footage, maybe even do a little update on the car. So hopefully you guys have been enjoying the 8.6 content. I know a lot of my subscribers are for the Impreza, but I promise you guys I'll probably still have a couple videos left on that, but that is not my main project anymore. The car right here behind us is the main car. So for those new to the channel, this is my 2020 Toyota 8.6 base. Got this car about 4 months ago and I've already done a few things to it. This car was bone stock from the dealership, had about 3 miles when I first test drove it, so this car is literally brand new. Continue today's video, I'd like to announce that every $10 order off katanastyle.com you will get a free jet tag. I figured I want to clear some inventory before I get some of the new products in, so yeah, any order over $10 on katanastyle.com excluding shipping will include a free jet tag, so definitely go check that out. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. In case you guys are wondering how I have my GoPro set up, it's actually just a Gorilla Pod wedge in between headrest and my seat. Kind of gives you this nice wide angle of the road, the car shifting and everything. So I think I'm gonna probably do this angle from now on. Of course, the POV cam is fun, but honestly it's kind of hard to drive with the camera all up in your face. So yeah, I'd rather do this. Actually, from here you can actually see a better view of the carbon trim. So that is actually just a carbon fiber piece that's laid on top of the stock part. Originally, I was debating on just replacing the entire bezel with a carbon fiber piece, but honestly, I think this just does the job, and it's pretty good fitment. It's real carbon fiber, you can feel it. So yeah, this was just the easiest way. I do have to do the AC trim yet here. See that silver part there? I'm probably gonna just paint those black myself. So I actually do like the Alcantara piece they have here that comes from factory on the newer models, because I think it just feels a lot more premium that way. I did install some JDM Toyota AC vents, because originally these were silver, but now they are matte black. So I'm going to try to tie everything together. Here are the M-Tech shift springs that I just recently installed. Honestly, installation wasn't terrible, but definitely a little difficult. Anyway, all it does is it kind of enhances the feedback you get from going from first, second, or wherever to back to neutral. So it makes the shifter a lot stiffer and more direct. So just pushing it up, it goes right to third, down, fourth, etc. So before, it kind of, not like I had trouble going into third, but maybe you kind of had to guide it better, but now it assists you. Honestly, I think it's worth it. It's only $30 and makes your shifter feel so much better. So I'm probably going to tie this along with some shifter bushings. I might not do a short shifter, because honestly it's kind of fun doing long throws, especially with this shift knob here. It kind of feels like you're in initial D, so whole ton of fun. But now I'm just gonna go around and explore some more, see what else we got. I do want to take some photos somewhere nice, although I'm not sure where I can do that. But I'm probably gonna go down the street a little more, see what is over there. And yeah, I'll take you guys along for the journey. People say this car is so slow, but honestly, it's the fastest car ever driven, man. I definitely need some new brake pads, because the stock pads don't do so well hard cornering, and also I feel like I'm not as confident with these pads at all, so I may have to invest into some, you know, better brake pads. Probably won't do big brake kit just yet. I do have the Brembos on the Impreza that I could swap over, but I don't know, these are alright for now. So I think that will conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the driving footage I got. Of course, I didn't push this car 100%, but definitely fun to take it out and see what it's capable of. And like I had mentioned earlier in the video, any order over $10 will get a free jet tag. So I'm trying to clear out some inventory, hoping to get some new designs here. And yeah, I figured this would be a good way to do that, and of course you guys benefit from it by getting a free jet tag. Costs $7 on the site. So yeah, definitely take advantage of this deal. For now, we will sign off right here. Again, katanastyle.com, at katana.style on Instagram, and follow me, of course, at will.kgfx on Instagram. Yeah, this color combo is amazing, but I think we're almost due for the next set of wheels here. So yeah, give it some time. You guys enjoy your day, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.